What's up guys? In today's video we're going to be doing some stuff to the Miata, some stuff that I've been thinking about for a long time, but I've just never really done it because I wasn't really sure how I wanted to do it, and I'm still not sure if I like it or not. You guys can let me know, but we go ahead and we put a dash back in this thing. I try and make it a little bit cooler. I don't know if it is, but we did a couple of things there. Also, I finally made a tonneau cover. I always wanted to make one out of metal and then continue it down and do something fancy and kind of do all custom metal work. But the more I think about it, the more I don't really want to get cut while I'm driving. It'd also be way hotter in the car while I'm driving, and it's already really hot in the car as is. I'm just not really sure what I wanted to do, and I had a old tonneau cover sitting around. I have the snap kits and everything else, so I kind of just threw it together. It turned out pretty good, but we definitely had some difficulties trying to retrofit this tonneau cover from a different car onto this car. I think overall it looks pretty good. There's still some stuff I got to finish up that's not going to be in this video. It'll be done off camera, but just to make it a little bit nicer and everything. We basically are just doing a few things to the car, cleaning it up, and then we're gonna be taking it out for a little drive, which is a video you guys will have already seen. Basically, we just did all this to give myself motivation to drive the car more. We're definitely gonna be bringing it out more this season. We're probably gonna be filming some stuff with both James's NB Miata that used to be mine and my car together. So whether we go to meets or do whatever, you guys can let me know what you guys wanna see. Anyways, we're gonna get started on some dash stuff, and then from there, we move on to the tonneau cover and then cleaning up the car. in addition to doing a couple of those things that you've seen and then also cleaning up the car, I did remount the lip so it's where it was supposed to be. It's been hit and bent a bunch of times. So basically I just moved it all forward and then used some riv nuts and everything else. And so it's all on there with more bolts than it's ever had before. So it's actually pretty nice. But now that the car is a little bit more complete, with a few more things done to it, I'm not sure how I feel about everything, but you guys can let me know what you think. I think the tonneau cover is nice. It definitely finishes off that rear like parcel shelf thing a little bit more. It definitely covers up just kind of the jankiness. The dash, you know, we messed around with a few different ideas and I think it's good for now, but not what I'm gonna keep forever. But you guys know how it is. I like to change things up every once in a while just because, you know, I do things and then I kind of retract a little bit because I'm not really sure if I like it or not. Definitely the taillights, I still don't know what I want to do with the taillights, so we'll see what happens there. But anyways guys, hope you enjoyed today's video and peace out.